pat her and give her some food. Oh, smug watermelon. Kawaii. Kawaii ni. Kaela! Nono-ka-san! Menyala abangku.
Welcome.
Wait. Ale? Tsuki ya. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you again. Shall we upgrade? Heal HP every time abilities are used. I think this... If we upgrade this, it would be good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Which one?
Which one? I don't know which one. Hello, Kaela, at your service. I'm here to help you take care of your equipment. I can offer 2 services, upgrading or enhancing. By upgrading, your gear becomes stronger by leveling up and increasing the stat bonuses on that piece of equipment. However, the higher the level, the more it will cost. For example, a normal rarity equipment only gives 1 stat. Rare equipment gives 2, and S-rare equipment gives 3. It will cost a lot to increase the rarity, however, and it has a low chance of success, so be careful. I have no idea what you just said. Rare equipment give 3, okay. Let me know what you need and I'll be here. Thank you.
Which one?
Which one? Which one?
Ganbatte.
Which one? Kaela, which one? Gamba.